huge, big. It's very solar-y. Which side of these do you think is the most eye-catching? What's the most grabbing side? What is the most eye-catching, easy to grasp, appealing, instantly readable side? I think almost all of us will say this side. This is the most eye-catching. Holy crap, I can read this. Don't pay for solar. Find out how to get the utility company to pay for your solar system today with a big picture of a solar system. It's very clear. This is very easy to read, very clean. It's big. Why didn't they put the address side on this? Why didn't they put the address on this side? You severely affected your campaign in a negative way. Instead of stacking the chances, the probabilities, you took them away. You put them on this side where it's very hard to read. There's no graphics because they were of the mindset that this is the most important side, that the address side sucks. It's just some psychological thing. You see all this space and you think, oh crap, I've got to put all my good stuff on the other side. Let's just do this one black and white. You don't even need all this white space for the addresses. The mailer tells you that. They're lying. You don't need that. Here's some examples of my postcards for my clients. If you're thinking about doing an every door direct mail or postcard campaign, you got questions, you got a business, and you want to build a little ATM machine on a postcard that makes you money, hit me up. My information's down below. I can help you out with whatever you have. Help that little business of yours. Super entrepreneur does these exhibitions and stuff. Extreme Exotic Expos, okay? Reptiles. Very clean, colorful.